Hi everyone, this is Mr. Fusion Designs, and today we are doing a build from Fanholm, the Knight Rider, and we're doing issue 63. So we are doing the rear, I think back of the interior of the car. And recently Fanholm has done a update on their website where you can download now the instructions, which I find it quite useful. And as you can see, you can do a close-up now. It makes things, oh my, there you go, a little bit more easier. Sometimes it's difficult to see where parts needs to be going, but you can see just there. Oh yeah, I'll be using this from now on instead of the magazines, so I'm gonna get on with the build now. We got it's more like a rubbery material now for the seat, and this is sponge. Just need to put that like that. Pretty simple. Along with this part, you can see this curve. This part you would flip it over like that. You can see there's grooves. Just need to slot in, as you can see. Seems to be now in place. With that we need 6 DP screws. Let's just get 6 of these out. Get that out of the way, get 6 there. Hopefully yep, that should be fine. But don't over tighten these. Just enough to hold. That seems to be all now in place. We have now a NP screw. Need 2 of these. Let's just try and open that up. Two of them. And as you can see, it's just here. Doesn't really, it's going into that rubber, which hopefully will hold slightly in place, but I don't think it's going to do a lot of difference. It's holding. Just enough to hold in place, don't overscrew it. With that in mind, we have now this back. It just goes like that. So now we need our interior. So let's just bring that over. But this is our interior. You can see mine's is a lot different. It's the center console. Mine's my gear stick moves. Modified radio with working buttons to change the tracks. Inside, really don't need this because I've updated to a bike lane screen, but I had a what was it called? Tiny circuit screen. So let's get on with what we was doing. We need let's take 4. Let's just do it all in one go. 1, 2, 3, 4. So I believe we will need 2 in this section just to hold the back. Okay, that's done. Now let's see how this will be going. Let's just put 1 screw in first and get that lined up. It's just 1. Oh, as you can see, that's now in place. Starting to take shape. Yeah, I really like this build. It's really good. Really well built. So these are single issues, and we won't be doing our 4 issues like we was doing anymore. It's really due to viewing time and also editing time, because when you do 4 issues, as you know, it takes a lot of time of viewing and also editing. So with that in mind, I would like to thank you for watching and supporting the channel, and if you could do us a favor, if you could hit that thumbs up and subscribe to our channel, that would be great. Thanks again for watching. Look forward to seeing you all next time. Bye.